Good morning. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for Wednesday, and this is the 12th of February, 2025, about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. Don't have that snow yet in Chicago they're talking about, but it's coming. Remember, I warned you about it. And cold weather, and it's all going east. So be ready for this. If you're watching Washington, D.C. yesterday, it was a snow wonderland, to put it mildly. All right, all the stock indices down. The gold fell hard on the CPI report. We'll get to that in a minute. It has since come back. The dollar took off to the upside, still holding most of the gains. New Zealand, I've been looking for a big break in that and got it, and started telling my clients, by the way, to take half profit there. Big break today that we got in the Russell. That was another one of the trades that I've been talking to my morning subscribers to be short. If you take a look here, backing off on all the energy markets, with the exception of nat gas. It's going to be cold, as I said. You're going to get some more demand from that. As we take a look at the bonds and notes, down hard, and that means interest rates are rising. Why? All right, let's go to this for a minute here and take a look. We had the mortgage market numbers to start off, and they came in, as you could see, for the week ended, they were up 2.3%. Same, a reduction in the purchase number of 2.3. So one's a positive, one's a negative, and the refi went up. But this is what the market's really looking at. The market is focusing on where is the CPI. And to put it mildly, if you look at these numbers, you can always hit pause to look at them. Inflation came in hotter than thought. Going forward, President Trump owns these numbers. He can say all he wants, that he inherited all this from Biden. There's an element of truth, but these will be associated with him starting for the next report. And it doesn't help if tariffs are put on everything, and the market, if you will, thinks of that as inflationary as well. But remember, tariffs are a negotiating tool, not a policy. And as that is, the fact that the president is saying he's putting them on like he just did on steel and aluminum and giving you until March 12th means come on over, come on by, let's talk about should these go on you or not. There won't be exceptions without the countries he's putting them on making exceptions for the U.S. I want you to think of a target right now. The target's going to be the European Union. U.S. autos have huge tariffs. You go there, you see very few U.S. autos. I don't know if they'll be sold in Europe or not, but I know that they are tariffed wrong. That's going to be one of the areas that is looked at. You watch, you'll see that in the next day or two. Now, this is going to be an interesting morning. Fed Chair Powell now appears before the House Financial Services Committee, and guess what? They got to be asking, Mr. Powell, interest rates are up. Inflation keeps getting worse. What the heck is going on? And that's going to be it. The options market today took out and said that if you get a rate cut in 2025, it'll be in December. So they pushed everything back because this report was so hot. This is the hottest inflation reading set of numbers we've had in at least a year, and it catches the market off guard. I think that's the right word that you can use. So how do you play it? What do you do with it? Well, that's where the fun of this all comes in, and that's where I want to come in with you. You know, what I put out twice a day, I write reviews in the morning, and then from there, what we do is we work with that. Now, one of the things you can work with on it is our indicators. If you're using what we call Trading View, and you want to use all the indicators you see me do at the end of the day, just step up to the table here. You go to our website, and under Customer Resources, you'll see Trading View indicators. You sign up there. We sign you up from that. You log out of your Trading View, we'll send you an email, you log right back in. All my indicators are there. They pair with my courses, my daily updates, and the like. So this is one of the ways that you can keep up with the exact way I do my charts, and you see where they come in. Only takes up 2 of your slots, gives you plenty of room to work with. You go to irapstein.com. On the top right, you will see what? You will see the Customer Resources. Click it, drop down menu, sign up there. Also, I'll put an icon up at the top here for you. But today's all about inflation. In my review this morning that I write for my subscribers, I will be talking about this, the impact of it on the market, and what I think it means going forward for at least the next, I don't know, month, 2 months minimum. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great morning. I'll catch up with you all at the end of the day. Take care.